Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A16 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see silent mode switcher, the first section. Just to activate the silent mode, you should click on the switcher. We can see that when the silent mode is activated, ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. Just when we turn off the silent mode, the ringtones and notifications, they will ring. If you wanna just activate the don't disturb mode, you can make it here. To change the volume of media, ringtone, notifications and alarms, we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots. Just to change ringtone and notification sound, you can make it here. To use vibration on ring mode or in silent mode, we should click on the switchers. To use the haptics and tones, the system haptics, we should click on the switcher. To turn them off, we should click on the switcher once again. And to use the dial pad sounds, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds, we should just click on each of the switchers. Let's go back, and here in advanced settings we can see the volume button function. So now we have selected media volume. When we'll press up or down volume button, we'll change the media, and now we can switch it, for example, to change the ringtone volume. So even if you wanna switch default recorder from auto select to add-on, you can make it here. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.